Hi, my name is Chua. I'm the Master Trainer for Chemistry in Venus Education. I'm a chemist by training. Chemistry is everywhere. Chemistry is in every aspect of our lives. In Venus Education, we use the BAM technique, which is a 3-steps process. Now, it's important for students to practice their 10-year series. Why? Because they'll be able to see the level of difficulties of the questions set by the Cambridge examiners. Answers and suggested solutions are provided, including the multiple choice questions. Hi, my name is Chua. I'm the Master Trainer for Chemistry in Venus Education. First of all, I'm a chemist by training. After graduating from NUS in Applied Chemistry, I went on to work in the chemical industry for several years. And it's actually during this period that I get to meet a lot of scientists, professors, and fellow chemists. And I clearly see how chemistry revolves around us. And through the large amount of technical discussions and chemistry presentations for my chemical company, I realized that I have the ability to so-called share my chemistry knowledge with others, and I enjoy doing so. And I have the natural ability to so-called crystallize and simplify abstract chemistry concepts into bits and pieces that others find easily to understand. That's when I started Venus Education with my partner about 18 years ago, and I'm honored to share with you that during these 18 years, we managed to work with more than 3,000 students and help them to make a breakthrough in chemistry. Amazing. Many continue to work in chemistry-related industries. And currently in Venus Education, we only specialize in O-level pure chemistry, IP chemistry, and A-level H2 chemistry. Chemistry is widely known as the central science. It's the science that combines and connects the other two sciences together, namely your physics and biology. Together with other disciplines such as mathematics, medicine, and geography, it basically explains every phenomenon that you see in our daily lives. Chemistry is everywhere. Chemistry is in every aspect of our lives. And every second, there is always a chemical reaction that is happening in living things and non-living things. As such, chemistry is very important, has an important role in education. It allows the students to truly appreciate and understand the world around us. Now, chemistry itself has allowed the human race to solve many problems that were never thought possible. Amazing! Now, first of all, chemistry is known to be one of the most abstract science subjects, unlike physics and biology. And also, a lot of students tend to adopt the wrong studying methods for chemistry, which is based on memorizing and regurgitation. Now, memorizing and regurgitation may work for some subjects, but definitely not chemistry. Chemistry is all about application, and in order to apply, the students first must have a very strong foundation of their basic concepts and the associated keywords. Also, in chemistry, unlike physics and biology, the students must appreciate that all the topics are interconnected together. So students cannot skip topics, when they revise or when they learn, especially when it comes to concepts that are very difficult for them to comprehend. They have to make sure that they know all the topics accordingly. Because in the chemistry examination, it's very common that concepts in several topics are all tested in one single question. In Venus Education, we use the BAM technique, which is a 3-steps process. Now, what does BAM technique refer to? The BAM. B in BAM refers to basic concepts. And over here, we get the students to learn the deep underlying chemistry concepts really, really well. We don't cut corners over here. And when it comes to chemistry concepts, there's no such things as shortcuts. So this is one of the most important so-called steps, which is to get the basic concepts right. And A in BAM refers to associated keywords. Now, in chemistry, every basic concept will come together with its associated keywords. And it's very important that the students is able to so-called display these technical keywords in their chemistry examination in order to impress the examiners that they know their concepts very, very well. Now, being very, very good in your basic concepts and associated keywords This will allow the students to pass chemistry and in fact do quite well for chemistry. But in order to master chemistry and to ace this subject in examination, the students got to be able to apply. And when we come to application, right, for us it refers to M, which we call the mapping skills. What do we mean by that? Now, in M, the mapping skills, we teach our students to use the standard basic concepts and the associated keywords and map it over to new unfamiliar questions and solve it.
Amazing!
This is what we call the BAM technique. Now, and it is this same technique that allows us to transform our students, hundreds and thousands of them, getting them the breakthrough that they want, and most of them get a pass with distinction. Now, it's extremely important for students to get good grades in their national examinations because this will give them the flexibility to choose the topic and the subject they would like to study in higher education, as well as their future career. Now, I highly recommend students to get both the topical and yearly editions of the Chemistry 10-Year series by SAP book publishers, right, which is shown over here. Now, it's important for students to practice their 10-year series. Why? Because they'll be able to see the level of difficulties of the questions set by the Cambridge examiners. Also, they'll be able to see the trends in terms of the questions from one year to another year. And usually, they'll be able to see similar questions, all right, they are testing on the same concepts in the 10-year series. Now, the topical chemistry 10-year series is suitable for both the Sec 3 and Sec 4, as well as the J1 and J2 students. The main aim of the topical edition is for the student to gain topical mastery. Now, for the yearly edition, the use is a bit different. The main purpose of the yearly edition is to get students to have proper time management in exam, as well as to get them the exposure to handling cross-topics questions.
Amazing!
Now, I'm honored to be invited by SAP Publisher to write both the O-Level Pure Chemistry and A-Level H2 Chemistry 10-Year Series books. For both books, answers and suggested solutions are provided, including the multiple choice questions. Additional tips are also being given in some of the questions to explain the more difficult questions clearly. A lot of time and effort are being used to craft the suggested answers in the books. Being a self-help 10-year series book, I have ensured that the suggested solution booklet is detailed, is clear enough, and simple to use by the students themselves. Now, the students got to ensure that they've done their proper and necessary revision before the examinations. For chemistry, it basically means they need to know their essential concepts and the associated keywords very, very well. Students, do remember, chemistry is not about memorizing and regurgitation. You got to apply what you have learned in your syllabus and apply them accordingly to the new unfamiliar questions and exams. Have fun! Now, for the Chemistry 10-Year series books, you can buy them from the popular bookstores or order them directly at sapgrp.com. So go and get your copy today and work on them. Now, if a child would like to pass chemistry with distinction, do call my center number at 88290998 or visit our website at winnerseducation.com to arrange for a diagnostic test worth $97. Do mention my name, Chua, to get it waived off. Have fun!